is up, guys? Welcome back to Shortline Road Fighter channel here on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back, guys. Look what we have rolling down east towards Arconda. I do indeed think they're stopped. Nope, they're coming. Alright, there they come. I was playing outside with my friends and I heard the train, and my mom is just now coming back from somewhere, and she hurried up when she heard that train. She got to the house, she got me, and we rushed up here to the box. And she should be getting out. Oh, there she is. Oh God, it's 4080. It is 9:44 right now. Looks like the early days are back and to life now. Don't know if Marshall will take me anywhere or anything. Hopefully he might do it sometime tomorrow or sometime. I don't even know. I don't even care anymore. I'm sorry, Bubba, but kind of just forgot about me, I think. Here's my mom. She finally decided to walk up here and show up. And of course, we didn't walk up here. We drove the pick 'em up truck. And they're rolling east with 4080 in lead. Probably the two red ones again. Yeah, you better move. You better move, because they're going to come right beside you. That's 4080. I know.
I'm going to activate.
No, it ain't even close enough yet. Oh gosh. Tired, y'all. I knew I heard them when I was outside. I just knew I heard that horn.
And I literally just come over the track.
But this is 4080. And the louder one is this is the loudest, kind of the loud versus 7167.
Under your hat.
I know. Look at this. Look at this. It ain't even that close yet, but
Should I do it in one or two?
don't matter. Coyotes are going crazy. My mom's tablet got Android 12, so that ain't fair. But my phone should be able to get that soon.
That ain't coyotes, that's dogs.
Whatever it is.
You're so stupid.
Yep, catch every bit of them. I catch every bit of them. Ding, 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 ding. Woohoo! Don't scare me. Who was that? Yes, indeed, that was Ronnie. Okay. That was Ronnie, y'all. Driving. And that reminds me of Evan.
These are all the ones I've seen in the electric place.
See what's new, y'all? About the average freight. lot of grain cars. I think. Rolling by 9:49. There goes Kiamichi Pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and ding 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 ding. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will talk to you guys later in the amazing Hot Rails video again. See you later, everybody.